Welcome back to your Algebra 1 Semester 1 final review. This problem 33 this year, or maybe a different number from other years, is dealing with another system of two equations. And in Algebra 1, we only deal with equations that make lines. So that's why they said two linear equations. Notice line is hiding in there, not ear, line. So two equations that make lines. Now let's make sure we can see those two equations before we even think about what we're trying to find. Now line A is pretty apparent. Line A is right here. Line B though looks kind of weird. This to me doesn't look like a line. But how do you think it makes a line? Well, it makes a line if we graph all of the points that are hidden in this table. And in fact, let's humor me and go ahead. We're going to graph this table on the same coordinate plane as line A, just so we can see the line. Don't forget that this is going x comma y here. So I have the point -1 comma 6, 0, 4, and 1 comma 2. So I'm just going to graph each of those. Left 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy enough. 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 up 2. Now, these points all look like they're in a line with a negative slope, and in fact, we should be able to count that slope. To me, it looks like our slope goes down 2 and over 1, and the reason that's useful is because now I can create more points that have that same slope. Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and once we have all the points, we might as well connect them to show that we have our other line. This line that I just did in orange is line B. I'll even label it as B. Alright, now what are we trying to do here? The graph and the table are given to represent two linear equations in a system of equations. So a system is when we look at both lines at the same time. So that's why it's nice to see them visually. Which of the following is the solution to the system? Well, our solutions to a system of equations have three options. Either the lines never cross, but these ones definitely cross, and there'd be no solution in that case. They're the exact same line. These are definitely two different lines. Line A has a positive slope, line B is negative, or they cross in one spot, and the spot that they cross in is our intersection or our solution to our system. And it looks to me like they cross. It's on the x-axis, so the x is 2, it's none on the y. They cross at the point 2 comma 0. Once we see where they cross, we've found our solution, and we're done with this problem.